My name is Mohan Chandu. I am from section 18. My roll number is 20CS10017. Now I am going to present my second DIY assignment, which is a security alarm system. First, let us take a look at the components. I used an Arduino and a piezo alarm and a red LED and a PR motion sensor and a resistance of 20 ohm. Then I took the Arduino into the workspace and started to connect the things. I took one red LED and the piezo speaker, which I named alarm, and connect the negative of the piezo speaker and the cathode of the LED to ground, and the positive terminal to a same pin number 13, both anode and the positive terminal, with a resistor in the middle. So these two can do simultaneously. And I took a pair motion sensor from the components and I connected the signal to pin number 2 and the power to 5 volts and the ground of the sensor to the ground of the Arduino. Then I started to write the code. I used this print to serial monitor option to print the real-time values of the simulation. Then I used from control I used the if else statement. I used the math statement equal to, so that I compare the digital read of the digital pin 2 and the value high, this one. If the read is high, then it will be equal, then set pin 13 to high, then means 13 will be at high, then this LED will glow and this piezo will start making noise. Else set pin 13 to low, then this two will stop. So I just start the stimulation. Now this is the person or the object which is in the restricted area. If it moves, then we'll get the sound. See, as you can see, sensor is going off, and as you piezo speaker is on and the LED also on. Then we can see that from serial monitor. 1 minute. See, if we move, it becomes 1. Otherwise, if we take it for rest for some time, then it will become 0. Again, if we move, it will become 1. The sensor will the motion sensor is detecting the movement in the area. Okay, then the end of the stimulation. Now I convert the blocks to blocks plus test. This is the code. I'll copy it and paste it in the Arduino editor. I'll paste it here. Then I'll try to compile it. It is verifying my sketch. I chose error. So it is working fine and my code is also correct. Thank you for your time.